Welcome to Python for Introductory Statistics. In this video, you will learn how to make a frequency polygon. Let's go back to our example. This is the age of the United States senators as of 2021 is given below. So these are the ages. And we're asked to construct a frequency polygon with five classes. So let's open Google Colab. For this, you can hopefully by now, if you have saved your work, it's already in Google Drive. But if not, we can open a new one here by searching for Colab, and, and it's Google Colab right here, and it has remembered some of the files that I played with before. So let's go ahead and open this demo. All right. So this is what we've done before. So now let's open a new code here, a new cell code. It will do it anywhere, but let's do it right here. So right here, a code. Now for frequency polygon, we do not have a matplotlib library that's already available for Polygon. So we will use a function from our notebook. So let's go to let's open our material from here. So hopefully you have access to this. You will need access to this for this specific case because you have to copy and paste the function. So it's under here, 5-4 histograms and polygons. I'm going to scroll down and there it is. So this is the function that we don't need to write. It's already written for us. So all we'll do is copy this function, right? So highlight, copy, and we're going to paste it into our code cell here, and we'll run it to make sure it's working properly. All right. So as you remember, functions in Python are defined with a name. So in this case, the name of the function is Polygon, and it takes x, which is the variable or the list, the data list, and n is the number of bins or the number of classes. So let's bring our x here first. So let's go back to the question, and we will bring this data set here, and we'll call it x. You can use any letter you want. There's no reason for just x. So we're going to do x is equal to the open and close parentheses and paste it. It's right there. And I'm going to then run this. So the data set is now saved in x. Now we're going to call the function, which the name is Polygon, all right? And then open parentheses. The first variable is x, the first input or argument, and the second is the number of classes, which I believe we were asked to make 5 classes. And then when we run this code here, there's some error, and it says, PLYGN. It's Polygon, so I should have written POL. By the way, to make sure, what we can do is go back to this and just copy this. Polygon, that's the name of the function, x and n. So we're going to call this. So I can write it here, paste it here. Now n needs to change into 5 because that's the number of classes. So when we run this code, there it is. So now we have, the midpoints, and the polygon is there, the lines, the green lines. And obviously we also have the histogram as well.